Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is a haul video and it's actually a Dollar Tree haul and a CVS makeup haul. So yesterday I went to all three of my Dollar Trees that are nearby and was able to pick up a few items. And then I got this idea that I wanted to do a full face of the cheapest makeup I could find at CVS. So I went ahead and bought a full face of the cheapest makeup at my CVS. And so I'm going to show you everything I picked up yesterday at the 4 stores on my shopping trip yesterday. So I'm super excited. This makeup look here, if it's not already out, be on the lookout. But it's basically, I wanted something fun. I love the colors pink and green. I realize it's very Wicked-esque. But anyways, yeah, it's using mostly Dollar Tree makeup. So, like I said, if it's not out already, be on the lookout for that. If it is out, I'll have it linked down below. So of course, if you're a returning Dollar Diva, thank you so much for coming on back for another video. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jessica, and I'm basically a bargain makeup channel. What I mean by that is I like to do a lot of the same fun content that other makeup channels do. I just like to keep it in the bargain price point. So the closer to $1, the better. Of course, because of that, I do some hauls, Dollar Tree hauls, some other random makeup hauls from time to time. So if you're finding me because you love hauls, I do a lot of those as well. So if you feel like you're in the right place, I do hope you'll become part of our Dollar Diva family here on YouTube. So yeah, I'm super excited to show you what I picked up. So without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So first from Dollar Tree. So this is not really a fun item, but it is something I needed nonetheless. So I needed, I had broken all of my fly swatters that I have. Like I like to sit outside and every now and again you need a fly swatter. And I had broken all the other ones I had. And so this was probably 2 years ago. I went to Dollar Tree and couldn't find them. You know the ones with like the flowers on them? I was like, where's just like the Dollar Tree fly swatters? Couldn't find any. So I had to buy one at Walmart. And it was a clever idea. It was like kind of like on one of those like sticks, almost like a pointer. So you could make it long or short. But the little end would come off all the time, like the actual swat part. And over like Christmas, I lost it. I went to go hit something and it flew off and I have no idea where it went outside. So anyway, needless to say, I needed some fly swatters. So I got this 2-pack. They had the ones with the flowers on them too, but these seemed a little bit more heavy duty. So now it's like I can keep one out back and out front, or I can keep one inside, one outside. So 2 for $1.25. It comes with this really sturdy metal handle. And this seems like it has good bend to it, so it's not going to just like snap. I think the last ones I had were from like my local pest control company or something like that. So yeah, picked up 2. I got green and yellow. And so that is just kind of something that I needed. And Dollar Tree is the place to get that kind of thing, I feel. So then I found these, y'all. So I've actually found, what is it? The leave-in, of course, the body spray. I've seen the body wash. I feel like I've seen another product. But I finally found the Power Stick face and body wipes. These are the Brazilian Mist. And so they have all, you know, they just kind of refreshen up your skin. I usually get Tag or I get Arm & Hammer. I like Tag better than Arm & Hammer. And so I'm curious to try these. You get 30 wipes in here. And I find with my wipes, they last a bit longer. If you keep this thing here on, and if you store them upside down as well. Feel any kind of, ooh, they smell good. Oh, I'm excited to try these. Let me know if you've tried these and what you think. Of course, I will review them in a future, you know, Dollar Tree review video. But yeah, I found those. Let me know if you've seen some of the other scents as well. The Brazilian Mist is my favorite. I have not tried Soft Floral, and I know that there's like, it's a hit and miss of opinion. But yeah, definitely let me know if you have tried these. So I finally found them yesterday. So then I'd heard they had these. This is kind of a staple for me. For a period of time, I was kind of prone to like UTIs and stuff, and it seems like it's settled down. But before going or calling like the teledoc or something like that, I would like to use the test strips. So I would usually get mine at CVS. Usually it'd be like a deal like buy one, get one half off, and I'd have coupons. So it usually didn't cost me too much. And you'd get 3 tests to the pack. Well, y'all, Dollar Tree has UTI test strips. For $1.25, you get 3 strips. So you get 3 different tests, just like CVS, fraction of the price. So basically, you know, you do what you gotta do, and then it has where you can measure like the different chemicals that make up what might be infection or anything like that. Works pretty much the same, it looks like, as the CVS ones. So yeah, I thought that was just, it's just like one of those things that Dollar Tree has come out with that is kind of on the fancier side, something that usually they wouldn't carry before. So I definitely picked up some of those to have on hand just in case. They don't expire until September of 2026. So that's really good. So there's a lot of time on them. Of course, a brand name coming to the Dollar Tree. They had these Summer's Eve Spa Calming Cleansing Cloths. You get 24 cloths. It says it's new 100% plant-based cloths. And so yeah, you know, they're just feminine wipes, you know. And let me see how they smell. It says calming. Very light scent, nothing super, super crazy. They just kind of have like a spa-like scent. So picked up some of those mainly because they were brand name and they're always good to have on hand. So a couple more items from Dollar Tree. So this is my favorite wine glass. I've got 4 of these. I've broken a couple, have repurchased. It's just my favorite wine glass that I love. It's the one that I reach for. And on it says I was told there'd be wine. I like the thickness of it, the heaviness. It's not too heavy, not too thick. Just a really nice wine glass. This is now a 5th one because I know I'll probably break one. So yeah, I just wanted to grab another one of these while I saw it. So now I've got 5. Like I said, I do break them from time to time. But yeah, I just wanted to pick up another one of those. My favorite wine glass from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm almost out. So this summer I bought and compared the Spa Luxury shave cream to the EOS, and I bought the ones that are in white, like I think the one from Dollar Tree is like vanilla, and then the one from EOS that I got at CVS is like vanilla coconut or something like that. Either way, they're very, very comparable to each other. And I used up the Dollar Tree one already, and I'm just about done with the EOS one. So I just, honestly, for $1.25, I thought I would try the vanilla lavender scent. It was really very comparable. I think I did an entire TikTok on it that I'll have linked down below. Yeah, this is lavender, vanilla lavender. It smells really nice. And like I said, it was a really nice product. For $1.25, very comparable to the EOS. There were some minor differences, but nothing crazy. So picked up more of that. So I gotta confess, I just did another Shein earring haul, and they're coming, and I'm gonna run out of storage. I've got 4 little things to like store my earrings in, and so I saw this for $5 at Dollar Tree. It was on like a little front display, and I thought it was really awesome. It's really a very good size. It's this glass little storage container, and I thought like something like this at like Marshall's or TJ Maxx would easily run you at least a couple, $3, $4 more. And so I thought that was really nice and a nice place, another place I can store my earrings. And I like to kind of store them with like things, so I like to try to keep like kind of my gold ones in one area. I like to keep like my resin colorful ones in another area, my silver, things like that. So I'll be able to like decompress what I have as well as get new earrings, and this will hold quite a bunch. I'm thinking maybe this would be good for hoops. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I thought for $5, that was a steal at Dollar Tree. So I went to CVS because I had this idea of doing a full face of the cheapest makeup I could find at my CVS. All the products are pretty much Essence, Wet n Wild, and e.l.f. And yeah, I've got 13 products here. I've got a full face, y'all. And then I want to do a comparison of these products to Dollar Tree. Because Dollar Tree, for 13 products, it's like half price. More than half price. And I'll tell you more when I do the video, so definitely be on the lookout. But I'm going to show you what I picked up for this video. So this is the e.l.f. Prime and Stay Finishing Powder. I got transparent, so that is what I will be using for my setting powder. It says it leaves your skin with a smooth AF. I think that we know what that means. Shine-free finish. Use it alone or apply it for touch-ups. So yeah, that will be my setting powder. Then my concealer is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I got the shade Light Ivory. I don't know if I've used this before. If I did, it's been a long while ago. So that will be my concealer. Now foundation, I have used this foundation before, and I actually have it currently, but it's in a shade that's kind of too dark for me. And I actually bought it too dark because I bought it for when I do Selena, and I'm using like a really like a darker self tanner on myself, so I needed my makeup to match my body. And usually when I would do the act, it would be in the wintertime, so I'd be like as light as I can be. So it was just a little too dark, and I don't have a light mixing medium, so I went ahead and just got another one. It is a really nice foundation. I have used this before. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is in bronze beige, and so it's a nice foundation from what I remember. And so yeah, so we'll be using that for our foundation. Then blush and highlighter. I've got the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush. This is in Mellow Wine. I kind of really liked this shade. Let's see, let me go ahead and swatch it just because it's a fun like color item. That's a really nice color. So super excited, and it seems really creamy. So excited to try that. This is from Essence. It's called the Highlighter Luminous Glow. This is in the shade Staggering. They had like one that was a little bit more gold. So there we go. It's just a very nice, it's just a very, looks to be just a very nice highlighter. So we'll be using that as well. And then I've actually had this before as well, and I really liked it. It's the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. This is in what, Shady Beaches. They have a few different shades of these. So here is what it looks like. There's the bronzer shade right there. Again, like I said, I've had this before and really, really liked it. Then, so my Essence display was really kind of sad at my CVS, and I couldn't get the, they were like picked clean on their mascaras. They did not have my favorite drugstore mascara, which is the Essence Lash Princess, the green one with the false lash effect. I thought this would be an interesting product to try. The Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer. And just try it with like a not so great mascara from the Dollar Tree and just kind of see what happens. So it's a primer. I've used products like this before that have worked really pretty well. So I figured might as well give this a try from Essence since I couldn't get my favorite mascara from them. Then for eyeshadow, I just showed you my eyeshadow palette collection that's like not my Dollar Tree eyeshadows. And I mentioned I only had one e.l.f. bite-sized palette. And I've now got a second one. So they had a couple of these. This is the e.l.f. bite-sized shadow. This is in Cream and Sugar. So I just wanted to get like this nice little neutral color story. Figured I can do an all-inclusive look in this. And then when I do a side-by-side of this makeup to Dollar Tree, I'll be able to have these colors easy, you know, I'll be able to dupe it on the other side. So yeah, so now I've got two of these now, so I thought that was a nice neutral color story. Then for brows, I really kind of wanted to get the Essence, like the brow gel stuff, but I wanted to compare an eye pencil to something I usually get at the Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and got the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. This is in neutral brown, so I'm kind of excited about the color, because a lot of times I feel like they're too warm. And of course it's got a spoolie, which is really nice. So there we go. It's really, yeah, it's kind of on the cool side. I don't know if it'll work for me ultimately. I was hoping it would be a little darker, but we will definitely give it a try. And then for liner, I'm gonna go ahead and try the Essence Kajal Pencil. It was their cheapest, it was the cheapest eyeliner. I think with the exception of like the Wet n Wild Color Icon ones. So I was like, I might as well try something new. So this is the Essence Kajal Pencil. This is in the shade Teddy. It's kind of a dark brown. So I figured might as well go with this like neutral look. And so there it is. It seems to be pretty decent. So we will definitely try it. Then I wanted to get a liquid liner as well. And I know Wet n Wild, their breakup proof liquid liners are really good, but this was cheaper. So this is the Wet n Wild Pro Line Felt Tip Eyeliner. And I got dark brown, so it's like a felt tip eyeliner pen. Wow, y'all. That seems actually a lot better than the, what's it called? The LA Colors Eye Marker. So very excited to try that. Now my lip products, I got this Wet n Wild gel lip liner. This is in the shade Lay Down the Mauve, so I figured it was probably like a darker shade, which I wanted. Not so much. It's a little lighter than the packaging makes it look. But we will try it. I have tried these gel liners before. I think I have one that I got at the Dollar Tree that's like in a pink shade. Yeah, we'll just have to kind of see if the shade works or not. So last but not least, these are, I'm still shocked, you can still get for $1.09 at CVS these Wet n Wild lipsticks. I haven't used these in years. These were like the go-to back in the day. I got the shade 530D Dark Pink Frost. I haven't worn a frosted lipstick in, I can't tell you when. I used to wear frosted lipsticks in high school. A lot of these were frosty colors. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be, it's gonna be lighter than the, it's gonna definitely be lighter than the lip liner. So, I mean, we'll just have to kind of see how that works. I may love it, who knows? I might bring back the frosted lipstick. That's gotta come back around, I guess, right? So I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree and CVS haul. Definitely be on the lookout for the video where I test all this makeup. And then I will do a side-by-side with some comparable Dollar Tree products. So definitely be on the lookout for those coming out soon. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, show me you did by hitting the like button. And I'll have my haul playlist linked down below, my Dollar Tree haul playlist. And I think I have another shopping haul playlist, and I will have those linked down below if you love haul videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.